EcoVac's all-in-one cleaning hub, Deebot X2 Combo. Together with handheld vacuum, X2 Combo brings an ultimate cleaning experience. Pioneering dual laser LiDAR, X2 Combo reaches 24 times detecting probability, accurately mapping out your home environment. Super slim and square design ensures a closer clean edge to edge. The 20-centimeter rolling brush, interchangeable brush heads for multi-surface cleaning. Brand new item model enable X2 Combo to move smarter and smoother. Eco 2.0 upgraded with home knowledge graph. 15mm auto lift mopping, 8700 pause suction power. Dual auto empty and 60 degrees Celsius hot water mopping washing. Bring a truly carefree experience. Deebot X2 Combo. Team up in both ways, spotless in all ways.